Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you all the latest updates regarding the Grass Airdrop. So many of our subscribers messaged me saying they want the updates, so this video is for them. So if you open your Grass dashboard and if you go to the rewards section, now as you can see, along with your points, you can also see some diamonds showing up. What do those mean? I'll explain in this video what difference that will make. Also, I'll share with you what's going on right now and when you might see the airdrop season 2 allocation. All I'll explain in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I've put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel. So recently, Grass's co-founder Andrej had a podcast with Tom Trow. There were many questions asked and he provided answers. So basically the main question remains, when will season 2 airdrop claiming happen? I haven't checked the podcast myself yet, but on Twitter some details have been shared regarding it. Like inside the podcast, it was mentioned that season 2 rewards will be claimable in Q1 2026, meaning season 2 airdrop won't be in December. So now we need to wait for around a few months for airdrop rewards. Now let's talk about diamonds. So now you see diamonds here. So the question is how you can earn diamonds. Recently I have shared a complete post regarding this. If you joined our Telegram, then you already know. Look, if you want to increase your diamond or network points in Grass season, remember one thing, you earn points only when Grass actually uses your internet bandwidth. More bandwidth use gives more diamonds. Simple. Let me explain simply. These diamonds are for real users. Like some people earn points by making referrals, they don't use much internet. From the Grass airdrop, you get more points when you keep the network online more. If you stay more connected to the internet, you get more points. Referrals give points too, but diamonds will be given to those who keep their internet on more, so you can't earn diamonds only via referrals. The more you keep your internet on, the more diamonds you will earn. If you want to get a good airdrop in Grass Season 2, you should have a decent amount of diamonds. Use multiple internet connections on the same account. You can connect multiple internet connections. That way you can run the same account across different devices and mine more points, which yields more diamonds. Keep your node online. Try to keep your node online 24 hours. Uptime helps you collect diamonds faster. The more uptime you have, you can see uptime in the dashboard, the more diamonds you'll get. Use a stable fast connection for better bandwidth usage. If you want to use more bandwidth to earn points and diamonds, keep a good speed internet. If your internet is slow, try to manage a higher speed connection. Anything will do to get by. Avoid using VPNs. They reduce your earning potential. If you use VPNs, try to use them less because they can reduce your earnings. Try to stay online during peak hours when diamonds are higher. When diamonds are being awarded more, try to remain online as much as possible. That will help you get more diamonds. Diamonds are going to play a big role in Season 2 airdrop. This is the main important point because there are many users now. In Season 2, the more diamonds you earn, the higher the chance you'll receive a good airdrop. So the more active bandwidth you provide, the bigger your reward. One thing I forgot to mention, recently some sources said you need to get 500 points in each epoch to qualify for the airdrop, but this is not true. Actually, you don't need 500 points in each epoch to be eligible, so that's good news. So now the only thing you can do is earn as many points and diamonds as possible to get higher rewards. To boost your points, you can connect your node on multiple platforms, like you can use the mobile app which gives you 3x more points, and you can also use the Windows app for 2x boost. And that's all the updates about Grass Network. So if you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.